I have my brake lines ready to go here. These were from Advanced Auto. Thank Mr. Rico for helping me out at Advanced Auto. I got my other tools here from my tube bender from Harbor Freight here. And I got my compression fittings, inverted fitting here. I can connect two lines together, and my compression fitting, in case the line's cut, I can connect it that way also. I got my pipe cutter there, Harbor Freight. Now I know that the line that's going to the driver's side rear is the problem here. I believe it's this one here. It's going to have to come out. It's completely clogged up. I took some air and tried to blow it through it. It would not go through. So that's what we're going to be working on. But you can get a roller line, a roll of tubing for your braking system. But you think about this, you have to bend it to the shape you want. They come in various sizes and lengths. So you connect them to your bridge caliper or to your compression fitting, depending on where you're at going along. And this should be enough.